Hey fellow adventurers, it's time for a walk with Zulu. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you are having a wonderful day. Zulu is ready for her walk today, ready to do some sniffing and some, well, lawn watering. Come on girl, this way, come on. Come on. She doesn't want to go this way this morning. Oh, she's being adamant. She does not want to go that way. All right, well, we'll have to go the other way then. Come on. She knows what she wants, folks. She definitely knows. And she's very, very clear about it at times. She's like, I do not wish to go that way. Oh, by the way, if you would hit the like button right about now, I would appreciate that. No, seriously, thank you for liking and subscribing. And we always take questions, so feel free to leave us a comment if you've got any questions about Zinja or Zulu. Zulu loves her morning walk, and here we go. She's off and on a mission. So, oh, where are we going, girl? Where are we going? She's got to stop and look around, of course. See what's out here. It's a beautiful day out here. Nice puffy clouds, beautiful sky. Come on, girl. Let's go this way. There we go. As we continue our walk here, nose to the ground, as it were, figuring out where to stop first. We found a spot. We found a spot that smells good. Oh my. It's always fun trying to work the leash. All right, I think she's found, well, she's found a good smell. Let's see. Well, sometimes I wonder, what does it smell like? Why does it take so long to analyze? Oh my, you got your nose really buried down there, deeply. All right, she's found her spot. So we'll keep the camera on her face here so she can do her business with a little bit of privacy. Look at that beautiful face. All right. Shall we move on? We shall. All right. So while she continues to sniff around here, we'll do a shout out to Bad Kitty. Bad Kitty has been joining our live streams recently, and she's a big fan of the channel, so shout out to you. All right, Zulu. Where are you going? Come on. If given the leeway, she will just stay right here and sniff everything. But we're on a mission, right, girl? All right. And we're moving on. So, I'm just thinking, imagine me trying to do a live stream like this. It wouldn't really be easy to do. I don't think it'd be possible to do. For one, when I live stream, there's no stabilization in the camera for some reason. So, it would be really shaky. And then because the camera is on a pole down lower to the ground, I wouldn't be able to read the comments. So, we'll have to just do a regular video when we do this kind of walking. And we're off again. Time to cross the street. Come on, girlie. All right. Half the challenge here is that I'm having to guide her, make sure the camera's framed properly, and not get run over by cars. That is always a challenge. All right. Oh, what'd you find, a bottle? Just too many smells and interesting things. Onward we go. Where is this kid gonna take me next? We're coming up on the corner of this fence where she always stops to sniff. Oh, not today. And the fire hydrant. Whoa, she stops at the fire hydrant today. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. Alrighty. She is on a mission. She knows where she's going. Even if I don't know where she's going yet. But I do. This is the route we take every morning, so. Alright. Gotta sniff around the base of the basketball hoop. And then, what's next? Whoa. It's kind of hard to get the framing right on this, but we're going to try to keep her on camera as much as we can. Whoa. Oh. Oh, did we hear a dog bark? Alright, so now we're going to sniff around the tree and all around here, and she's got to find her second spot. And we're moving on a little bit further. Whoa. Alright, now she's zooming in on the second spot. Got to sniff the tree for a little bit. Oh, that's a nice bird. Nice bird call there. Oh, there he is. Let's see if we can get him here. The bird is right there. All right, back to Zulu. Okay, so. Oh, lots of smells over here because lots of dogs walk over here. So much to smell, huh, Zulu? All right, girl, come on. All right, so the business is done, and we're heading back to the house. And so, we want to thank you for joining us on our walk today as we head back to the house here. Hope you guys are having a great day, and continue to do so. If you haven't subscribed yet, we invite you to do so. We love sharing about the Basenji breed and hope to have the opportunity to interact with some of you in live streams and the comments. And one of these days we'll get Zinja on a walk. He's not liking to walk quite as far as she, so a bit more challenging. He likes to just go out, do his business, get right back in the house, and go back to sleep. She has her morning routine where she likes to do that little loop. So it's a little easier to get her morning walk on video. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us. Hey Basenji Adventure fans, thanks again for watching this video. We so appreciate all your support.